Yeah, something else I wanted to mention was first, over the last 3 to 4 months, obviously, like tech is at best going sideways and is getting held up by semis. Um, yeah, we've pretty much been in a range since October, even though the indices only might be a little bit off recent highs of like 7,000, and the NASDAQ and the Dow broke like 50,000, only a few percentage points. Like, there's a lot of stuff underneath. Even the mags have looked pretty weak over the last 3 to 4 months, especially Meta. I mean, if you want to include Netflix into like the grade 8, Amazon, and Microsoft, the worst. But point I wanted to make is obviously software got crushed. Um, and over the last 3 months, if there's been some strength, especially over the last 4 to 6 weeks, as semis have kind of topped, software even got really hammered the last 2 to 3 weeks. You're seeing a move into like defensive names like utilities, even healthcare, materials, energy. And energy is like has like two things like going behind it. Like, it's defensive, just historically, and you can create some yield. And now a lot of those names have steam because they need to create energy for like AI infrastructure. So I've been allocating pretty heavily into energy, AI infrastructure. It's cool to see a lot of these Bitcoin miners somewhat transitioning into that way of earning money, if not completely revamping. I think there's some Bitcoin miners who have like, I want to say like Riot, has maybe like completely sold all their crypto and mining Bitcoin and gone all in for AI. But the last thing that I'm maybe anticipating, as I mentioned in the previous videos, IGV, the anything cloud and SaaS, as well as cybersecurity, is having a really good day after like CrowdStrike and Palo Alto got hammered on Monday, given that report about like an AI apocalypse and just taking over government jobs. Will we see the SMH, the semiconductors, continue to come down, and that money inflow into software and cybersecurity?